Hello everyone, my name is Anggi and welcome to my channel. In this channel, we're gonna talk about money, personal finance, and how to get closer into your dream life. In this video, I would like to talk about type of savings that everyone must have. So, let's just dive in. The first saving that everyone must have is, you got it, emergency fund. Having an emergency fund is really a must for everyone. It's gonna come in handy when bad things happen into your life. Emergency fund is really gonna act like a seat belt when you're driving. When bad things happen to your life, if you have an emergency fund, it's gonna avoid you reaching for a credit card to get through the situation, while you know when the bills come, you cannot afford to pay your credit card in the full amount. By doing so, you will avoiding yourself having a credit card debt. The next question is, how much do we need for emergency fund? Well, the common rule is we must have between 3 until 6 months of our monthly expenses. However, I do not make a big trouble on picking the right number for us. All I said is just pick the number that make you sleep well at night. I personally pick a number of 12. Yes, I got myself 1 year, all of my expenses covered in my emergency fund. Moreover, as an entrepreneur, I know exactly that sometimes my income is gonna be fluctuate, so I wanna buy myself a peace of mind by having 1 year expenses covered in my emergency fund. One simple rule for emergency fund is make sure you refill it every time you use it. Your emergency fund should stay in the same amount according to the number that you choose. Where do we put our emergency fund? I would say open a bank account without ATM and without internet banking. Put physical boundary between you and your emergency fund just to make sure it's not convenience for you to access your money. Put physical boundary like this is gonna come in handy to avoid stupid things such as we are wandering in the mall and then suddenly give a wrong card when we are buying our things. Or maybe you really want to buy this beautiful dress and then you have a bad mood and you decide, okay lah, I got emergency fund, I'm just gonna buy it. No, only use your emergency fund for emergency things. And a dress, no matter how beautiful it is, it's not emergency. One thing I want to stressing out here, please don't put your emergency fund in some kind of investment that fluctuate in its value. This is your emergency fund. This is not an investment account. The purpose of having this account is just to make sure that money, that emergency money is sit there. You cannot touch it conveniently, but it is liquid that you can access it anytime emergency things happen in your life and you need this money. Now let's go to the second saving account that anyone must have. It's irregular saving account. Do this thing happen to you that sometimes you got an unexpected bill? It's just like a surprise, you got a bill, and the worst part is the bill come in a pretty big chunk of money. This is what I call an irregular bills. The bills is there, it doesn't come every month, so we tend to forget about it. But when it's come, when you do not prepare, it's gonna rob your budget. Irregular bills, it can be a sinking fund of an apartment, a Christmas budget, you know, Christmas gonna come soon, or even a birthday gift for people we love. So this is what I'm suggesting you to do. Make a list of all of your irregular bills. Let's say you're gonna need $1,200 a year of all of your irregular bills. And then divided this $1,200 into 12 months. So every month, you're gonna need to set aside $100 for your irregular bills. And where do you put this money? You got it. You make a dedicated account for this irregular bill. So every time you got money coming in, pay all of your bills and treat these irregular bills like your monthly expenses. Set aside, from our example, that $100 into this account. So when the time comes to pay your irregular bills, whatever is it, usually we have several of irregular bills for a year, you already prepare the money in a dedicated account. Only use the money in your irregular account for irregular bills. Be disciplined, guys. Personal finance, it's all about self-discipline. Now let's talk about something more fun here. Your lifestyle account. Yes, that is the third kind of savings that everyone must have. Lifestyle account is a dedicated account that we make to fund our lifestyle. It's something that you don't need it, it's not urgent, but you want it. Practically, we're gonna treat this lifestyle account just like your irregular account. You set aside some money every month to this account. The difference is you're gonna use this money to fund your lifestyle. It's gonna be for you to buy those beautiful dress, that luxury bag, or even fund your dream trip. The main purpose of having this lifestyle account is to avoiding you fund your lifestyle with credit card. I know, I sound like a broken record, keep talking about this credit card debt, but you have no idea how important it is to understand how to use credit card in the correct way. This is one of the pillars of your personal finance. If you use your credit card wisely, you already a few steps ahead into a better life. One little side note about this lifestyle account is that you may have more than one account for this lifestyle. For instance, you plan, I want to buy a car, but in the other side, you also plan to, let's say, I have a dream trip to Europe. I'm going next year. Then have two separate accounts to fund these two things, the car and the trip. We make this account for you to have fun, so use your creativity, have a fun with it. Now, the fourth type of savings that everyone must have, investing account. Before we discuss further about this investing account, let's discuss why do we need to invest in the first place? Any idea? For me, why do we need to invest is to buy our freedom. Let me explain. The big goal of having this investment account is one day your investment return is gonna be exceed your monthly expenses. And when that day comes, that's what we call you are in a financial freedom. The beautiful things of financial freedom is working. It's gonna be an option. It's on your choice, not an obligation because you've got bills to pay. The main purpose of your investing account is you put some money there and you watch it grow. Growth, that's what we're looking for in our investment account. We're not gonna talking about where should we put our money in mutual funds, stock, property. It's gonna be for another video. What I want you to grasp from this video is just an understanding that it is necessary for you to prepare your investment account to buy your freedom that we call financial freedom that's gonna come one day. What I want you to understand is you're gonna do this investing for the rest of your life. Let's take a deep breath. Yes, you're not gonna do this for 1 or 2 years. it do not work that way, okay? You're gonna see your money growth exponentially between 5 until 10 years. In investment world, patience is a virtue. Patience is what gonna make you a fortune. For your investment account, I strongly suggest to you, you must not touch it. Give it time to your investment to grow and let the magic of compounding interest work for you. I try to be a mind reader here. Maybe some of you will ask like, but how if I need some money for something urgent? Well, that's why you have your emergency fund. Oh, but we only live once. I want to treat myself. I want to splurge some money. That's why you have your lifestyle account. But wait, I got these surprising bills. I don't know where did it come from. Well, girl, that's why we have an irregular account. You see my point here that every single type of saving account that I mentioned in this video will have its own purpose. Your job is being disciplined to let this 4 types of account serve you well. However, I do understand that we are all start somewhere. So if you cannot set up this 4 account by the get-go, don't get discouraged. You're gonna take a baby step, a little step, but keep doing it and you're gonna get somewhere. And whoo, it's been a long video. I hope this video useful for you guys. Please feel free to share it with your friends and family or anyone that you know need this kind of information. Please help me reach more people so we can learn together, build this community to go to our better life in the future. Please tell me in the comments below what is your biggest takeaway from this video. And feel free to follow me in Instagram. If you do, don't forget to DM me just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you will be notified next time I upload new video. Bye!